psychrometric chart. First, we have to know what is a psychrometric chart. Psychrometric chart is a graphical representation of the physical and thermodynamic properties of air. It includes dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, relative humidity, absolute humidity, dew point temperature, specific volume, and enthalpy. Let's know how it represents these parameters. The x-coordinate represents dry bulb temperature, and wet bulb temperature, the orange one, represent a wet bulb temperature 0, 5, 10, 20. And relative humidity, the dark blue, these curves represent a relative humidity. Absolute humidity or humidity ratio, the y-coordinate, that is a humidity ratio. Dew point temperature, this scale represents dew point temperature, which is the same scale for wet bulb temperature. Specific volume, this black lines represent a specific volume, and enthalpy, the white blue, represent enthalpy. Let us solve an example. First, we have to have two parameters to find all other 5 parameters. We have dry bulb temperature, which is 35 degrees Celsius, wet bulb temperature 30 degrees Celsius, and we have to find relative humidity, specific volume, dew point temperature, enthalpy. First, we have to draw a line which is parallel for dry bulb temperature, which is 35. That's the line we draw. And also we have to draw another line parallel to wet bulb temperature. As we know, the orange one is a wet bulb temperature, and also this line represents 30 degrees Celsius. Now we have to find the intersection point. Now we are ready to find relative humidity. As I mentioned that these curves represent relative humidity. It locates between 80% and 90% curves. As we know, it's about 83% is the answer for relative humidity. The first one. Regarding specific humidity, as we know, y-coordinate represent specific humidity. Now we have to draw a line parallel to the humidity ratio coordinates. Okay, as we see, it's about 0.023 gram of water per gram of dry air. That is the answer. Specific volume, the black lines represent specific volume. Now we have to draw a line parallel to specific volume lines. Here, it is 0.9, this one 0.85, between 0.9 and 0.85. Here, it's about 0.89 meter cube per gram. That is the answer. Now we have to find dew point temperature. Draw a line till intersect this scale. Okay, this is 30, this is 25. It's about 28 is the dew point temperature. Regarding enthalpy, this white blue represents the enthalpy. Draw a line parallel to enthalpy lines. Now it's 100. It locates between 100 joule per gram and 80 joule per gram. It's about 96 joule per gram. That's a solution for using psychrometric chart. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.